Well, they're about to set the fireworks, and yes, I have an umbrella because it's raining, and about 5 of the 6 people have an umbrella, so everyone else is just getting wet. So always be prepared with your umbrellas. And yes, I can't wait. They're setting them up now. As you can see over there, they're setting all the fireworks off. So soon we should have a really good show. I think it starts from like somewhere there all the way to the end. So there's like a lot of fireworks. So I can't wait to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch all the fireworks.